Welcome to our Ampler know-how videos. As an important part of your e-bike, we will show you how to take care of your e-bike battery. Similar to regular bike care, these battery care tips are part of the regular maintenance of your e-bike and increase the life of your battery. Store it in a dry place, especially in winter. We recommend that you do not store it in places with a temperature below 0 degrees Celsius. Give your Ampler e-bike some time to warm up after a ride in the cold before charging the battery. Check if your frame still feels cold or have a look at the system temperature shown in the Ampler app. Check if the plug and socket are dry, so you can start the charging process. The charger should ideally be stored in your living area. Avoid direct sunlight. Find a place in the shade to park it. If you do not use your Ampler e-bike regularly, you have to charge the battery every 5 to 6 weeks. Check older batteries every 4 weeks. Otherwise, the battery can be damaged. Your e-bike should be stored with a battery charge of 40 to 80%. When it comes to battery range, many factors come into play. We say that on average, our batteries cover a distance of 70 kilometers, which means that sometimes they last 50 kilometers, sometimes 100 kilometers, depending on the mode, terrain and riding style. The battery power cannot develop fully in the cold, so don't worry about a shorter range on cold winter days. This is normal with lithium-ion batteries. Your Ampler e-bike will regain its full performance in spring. Other factors which play into the total battery range are high payload on the bike, the terrain you ride on, for example the ground conditions, many climbs, the number of starts and stops. Low tire pressure also has a negative impact on range. The last 10% of battery power is signaled by a flashing red power button LED. Even with an empty battery, the front and rear light continues to shine for about 2 hours. Make sure you don't leave your e-bike standing at a low charge level for too long and recharge it in good time. We hope you have a nice ride and enjoy your Ampler e-bike.